Meaning of individual savings account.
Individual savings account.
Individual savings account.
Individual savings account.
Individual savings account. An individual savings account, ISA, is a financial product available to residents in the United Kingdom that allows individuals to save and invest money without paying taxes on any interest earned or capital gains. There are several types of ISAs, such as cash ISAs, stocks and shares ISAs, and innovative finance ISAs. The amount of money individuals can save or invest in an ISA each year is limited by the government, with the current annual limit being £20,000. ISAs provide a tax-efficient way of saving and investing money and can help individuals build a nest egg for their future.